In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a checklist as a template in ClickUp. If you find yourself reusing the same checklist across multiple tasks, turning it into a template is a great way to save time and keep your workflow consistent. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to save an existing checklist as a template and then use it again in another task. To begin, open the task that contains the checklist you want to save. This should be the task where your checklist is already created and ready to be reused later. Once you're inside the task, scroll down until you reach the checklist section. This is where all checklist items for that task are stored. Next, locate the specific checklist you want to turn into a template. Hover your mouse over the checklist name, and then click the three-dot menu that appears. This menu gives you access to additional checklist options. From that list, select Save as Template. ClickUp will then prompt you to enter a name for your checklist template. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates. A clear, specific title will make it much easier to find the right checklist when you need it. After naming the template, choose who can use it. Depending on your workspace settings and what ClickUp makes available to you, your options may include all members, only me, select people, everyone, or admins. This setting controls who will be able to access and apply the checklist template, so select the option that best fits your team or personal workflow. Once that's set, click Save Template. At this point, your checklist has been stored as a reusable template inside ClickUp. Now, to use that template in another task, open the task where you want to add the checklist. In that task, click Create Checklist, then choose Use Template. You should now see the checklist templates available to you. Find the one you just saved, select it, and click Use Template to apply it. The checklist will now appear in the task, ready to use without having to rebuild it from scratch. This is especially helpful for recurring processes, onboarding steps, review workflows, or any task structure you want to repeat accurately each time. And that's all it takes to save a checklist as a template in ClickUp and apply it whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.